This is the Stonehaven District Radio Controlled Car Club, something like that. With the viaduct behind it, still in use. I believe that was built in the 1840s. Still going strong. That's the Stonehaven District Radio Car Club. Years ago they used to have petrol ones going around and you could hear them all over the town, but not so much anymore. I don't know if the electric ones are better nowadays or if the petrol ones are too dangerous. That's the track. That's where we used to take our bikes down when we were young lads. They had metal barriers to try to stop you, but we still found a way. Been chased away a few times, but hey ho. Thanks for watching. If this video's come across you or you found it somehow, some way, be sure to leave a comment. Oh look, they've chopped down. Used to have a rope string attached to this tree, but it's been doctored. The surgeon's been out. And that one you see over there, that was back in the storm a few years ago. Storm Babette. I think there's a couple of videos on the channel if you want to go have a look at them. There's a duck. But, oh no, there's the rope thing there. It's still there. Okay guys, signing off.